Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Our today's topics is sets and Venn diagram. This is the second video on the sets and here we are going to solve past paper questions. For the first question here, you are given a Venn diagram, a set showing children in a nursery. B is a set of children who received a book for their birthday and T is a set of children who received a toy for their birthday and P is a set of children who received a puzzle for their birthday, and there are four children who did not receive anything. There are four children who did not receive anything. Now, X children received a book and a toy and a puzzle. So, X is the intersection of all the three sets. Then, 6 children received a toy and a puzzle. So, if 6 children received a toy and a puzzle, that is why it is 6 minus X, because here it has to be 6. So, it is X over here. So, 6 minus X comes over here. Now complete the diagram given over here with the given conditions. 4 children received a book and a toy. So book and a toy, there are 4 children. But here already X is there. So we write here, this part we will be writing 4 minus X. Then 5 children received a book and a puzzle. So book and a puzzle, there are 5 children. But X is already there. So here this part we are going to write 5 minus X. And 7 children received a puzzle but not a book. So this is how we completed the Venn diagram and you get 3 marks for this. Now there are 40 children in the nursery. Using the Venn diagram, write down and solve an equation in X. We add all of this to get 40. So we have 11 plus 4 minus X plus 6 minus X plus 9 plus 5 minus X plus 7 and plus this 4 which are not the part of 3, and the total number of children is 40. So let us solve this equation. So we have 11 plus 4 is 15 plus 6 21 plus 9 30 plus 5 35 35 plus 7 42 plus 4 46 minus 2x is equal to 40. So you get minus 2x is equal to 40 minus 46, which is minus 6. So you get x is equal to minus 6 upon minus 2, which is 3. So this is how we have solved the equation. We solved the equation for 6 marks. Moving to next question, question number 11. This question I have taken from the specimen paper of 2025. So let us solve this. Here you are given a universal set Venn diagram where A and B is given here and total number of elements here is 20. So A union B, this A union B is going to be, number of A union B is going to be total 20 minus this 3, that is 17 elements are going to be there. N of A is 10 and N of B is 13. You are asked to find N of A intersection B. That is what will come over here that we need to find out. Okay. So N of A is 10, N of B is 13, and from this we will subtract 17. We will subtract 17, which is of this A union B. So which we get it as 23 minus 17, that is 6 elements will lie in this set A intersection B. Now N of A complement intersection B. Now A complement means what is not in A. Okay. So what is not in A? Nothing of A. So that 10 would be not there. Then intersection B. So intersection B is, what would be B? So N of B is 10. So 10 minus 6, this is going to be 4. And this 4 plus 3 gives you 7. That is N of A complement intersection B is 7 elements. Got it? Now, question number 12. 11 students are asked if they like rugby and if they like football. The Venn diagram shows the results. The student is chosen at random. What is the probability that the student likes rugby and football? So rugby and football is this part. There are 3 students who like rugby and football and total number of students are 11. So 3 by 11 is the probability of the students who like rugby and football. On the Venn diagram, shade R complement intersection F complement. So what is common to R complement and F complement? So which will not be in R. So all the region which is outside this R and F is going to be the part. So this is the region, shaded region, which shows R complement intersection F complement. Got it? So this is how we have done for another 1 mark. Moving to next question, question number 15. The lights and the brakes of 30 bicycles are tested. The table shows the results. The light and the brakes are both failed on one bicycle only. There are total 30 bicycles. Complete the Venn diagram. Now, lights fail and brakes fail. So, they both fail in only one bicycle. So, this is one. So, first part here we write number one. Now lights fail, there are three. So one is already written, so this part will be two. Brakes fail, there are nine. So one is already written here, it is eight. And then the total are 30. So that is how 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So 30 minus 11, you get this as 19. Got it? Now moving to the next part, the lights pass and brakes pass. So lights pass, it is 27 and brakes pass, it is 21. Now pass test, let us complete the second one, lights pass and brakes pass. Now we know that the lights fail and brakes fail. Other than this, lights pass and brakes pass are going to be 19. Both. Lights pass and brake pass together are going to be 19. Now lights pass, it is 27. So 27 minus 19, what we get here is 8. And brakes pass, it is 21. So 21 minus 19, we are going to get this as 2. And now 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus this 10 is 10. 19 plus 10, you get 29. And 30 minus 29, you get this 1. So this is how we completed the Venn diagram. Got it? Moving to question number, next question. This is question where the universal set is a set of numbers which lie between 1 and 10. Okay, where x is an integer. So x lies between 1 and 10, where x is an integer. Write all the elements of the universal set in their correct place in the Venn diagram. So A is a set of square numbers. So square numbers out of these from 1 to 10, 9 is a square number. So 9 comes over here. And B is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the common to them, 1 is again a perfect square and 4 is again a perfect square. So A intersection B is going to be 1 and 4. And A includes only the square numbers. So only the square numbers less than 10 are 1, 4 and 9. So this is how we completed with this. Next, we are write B. So 1 and 4 is already there. What is left we write over here. So it is 2, then 3, then 5 and 6. We have done. And then the remaining. So 10 is also included. So 10 we will write outside. X universal set is a set of all the integers lying from 1 to 10. So 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there in the set B. So what is not in A and B are 7, 8 and 10. These are the three elements which are not over here. So we have completed the Venn diagram. List the elements of A union B complement. So which is not in A union B, and those are 7, 8 and 10. 7, 8 and 10. These are the elements which are not in A union B. So that is A, they are in the A union B complement. Now find A intersection, N of A intersection B complement. N of A intersection B complement. So A intersection B complement is what is not in B. What is not in B is going to be the common elements which are in A and which are in B complement. Okay, but which should be in A also. So in A, it is only 9 and B complement, it is 7, 8 and 10, but which are not in A. So only one element, that is 9. So there is only one element, that is 9. Got it? Moving to next question. Now here, the Venn diagram shows the set P and Q which has some element. Use the information in the Venn diagram to complete the following. P intersection Q. So P intersection Q is going to be I and J, this part, I and J. P complement union Q. So P complement means what is not in P, and it should be there in Q. It should be there in Q. So Q has I, J, K, and Q has I, J, K, and they say that P complement, so which is not in P, so that is, so M and N also is going to be there. I, J, K, and M and N are the elements of P complement in union Q. Then next, N of P union Q complement. P union Q is this part, and complement is only M and N. So there are only two such elements. Okay, so the only two are there. So N of P union Q complement is only two elements, which are they M and N. So a letter is chosen at random from set Q. Find the probability that it is also in set P. So set Q and also in set P is the intersection. So I and J, there are only two such elements. And out of how many? A letter is chosen from set Q. So we have to total number of elements from only Q. So which are 3. So 2 by 3 is the probability. On a Venn diagram, shade the region P complement intersection Q. So P complement intersection Q. Okay, so P complement will be which is not in P, which is not in P, and intersection Q. So that means which is not all of that which is in Q, except for the common with P and Q. So here we are going to exclude only the set P over here. Got it? So we have shaded on the Venn diagram P complement. The shaded region shows P complement intersection Q. Got it? Now the next part, use a set notation to complete the statement FGH. FGH is the subset of P. It is a subset of P, or you can even write proper subset of P. So children, I have taken maximum number of past questions over here. If you like this video and if it is helpful, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.